Alright guys, this video is going to be like the other ones, except I'm going to be talking about the update command. And I decided to do this one on a chalkboard, and I'll explain this in a reason. I'll explain this, but don't freak out. Alright, so the video after this, I actually recorded before this one. And in that video, I deleted my database, my table. And I'm just way too lazy to create another one. So, I'm going to be teaching you it on a chalkboard. And I know that's kind of weird because it's sort of like watching me in the future, because the video after this is going to be, I'm like the future me of the next video. Oh, and imagine this, say you watch this a year from now, and then you're watching the future of me in the past. Just had to explain this. Alright, so basically this is how it works. Hey, let me erase this crap. Alright, so update. And also, I want you to tell me whether you like the computer or the chalkboard, because I'm up for either one. This one takes way longer, but I like these videos better, so just let me know. I don't mind doing the other videos either. It just whatever you guys want, and I'll think about it. So basically, you say the type of command you want, update. So the next thing you want to do is say update what table. And if you remember, my table was members. So from here, you can say what you want to change. So let's say I spelled my name wrong and I want to change that to Caleb. So set, my bad, name equal, and then in single quotes, Caleb. Like that. So that's pretty cool, but there's a big problem with this, and I'll explain this in a minute. So what you want to do, let's say we have this table, and then we have name as a column, and what this is going to do, we're going to update the members table, which is this table right here, and then we're going to set the name to Caleb. So all these rows, the name is going to be Caleb, Caleb, Caleb. And it's going to affect every single row, which you do not want that. Unless you really specifically need that, the chances are you're not going to need this. So that's not the best idea. So to fix this, basically you tell it something to change it by. So you do that with a where clause. Hopefully you remember these. Where, oops. And we can say where ID is equal to 7, so the ID 7 would change. Or it can basically be used with anything. So if, let's say, you accidentally spelled Caleb like this, then what you can do is say update members, set the name to Caleb where name is equal to Caleb. And then that's going to find which one has this name. Hopefully there's not more than one. So this one has Caleb, it's going to cross it out and put Caleb. But this can kind of be bad, because what if somebody has the name Caleb? So I always recommend doing it by the primary key, because that'll always be unique, because the primary key is unique, never changing, and always has a value. So that's what I would do. So I'd say update members, or whatever your table name is. So this is the table name. So this is members. Then you set the name. So the column, this would go right here. So these are columns. So the name column. And we're going to make it equal to Caleb in single quotes or double quotes, whatever. So we're going to set it to Caleb right here. And where name or ID is equal to 7. So the primary key, let's say this one has a primary key of 7. And we're going to change his name to Caleb. That's what it would basically do. So this one, 6, won't change. This will stay the same, and this one will change. So hopefully that clears things up, and that's basically the basis of an update command. And you can do some more broad things. So just look it up on Google and see me in the next video. It's going to be sweet. And please tell me if you prefer the chalkboard, or the computer screen, because I don't mind doing both. Just let me know. And I'll probably do both either way, but I'll see what you guys like and I'll do more of that and focus on that. So yeah, peace out.